Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting the magnifier that matches the task. 2x for reading, 5x 10x for small parts. Hold the lens 1/2 to 1 inch from the object and 10-30 cm from your eye depending on focal length. Once done, angle a consistent light source to prevent shadows and glare. Make sure to wipe fingerprints off the lens with a microfiber cloth. If the device is handheld, adopt a relaxed grip and steady your elbow on a surface to improve stability and clarity. You now refine focus by moving the magnifier slowly. Small 1-3 centimeter adjustments are more effective than squinting. Once you see the sharpest edge, lock position with a steady hand or rest the magnifier on a support. This reduces tremor and fatigue. If using an illuminated model, dim or brighten in small increments so contrast remains, and make sure color fidelity is preserved. Remember why. Steady positioning and correct brightness maximize detail while minimizing eye strain during extended inspection. You finish by cleaning the lens and storing the magnifier in its case to prevent scratches. Make sure any battery cover is secure for illuminated units. If the image remains blurry, check for smudges, replace weak batteries, and confirm you selected the correct magnification. Once done, center the object under the lens to avoid peripheral distortion, and if steadying is an issue, mount the magnifier or use a stand. A practical troubleshooting tip. Persistent blur usually means dirt, battery, or wrong focal distance. Verify each in that order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.